guys, today we are coming to learn corn rolling skills or the basic techniques when corn rolling someone's hair. I guess this video become very educative to you as you comprehend everything I'm doing. So you part a line straight from the side you want to cornrow. As a beginner, it's good to start from the back side so that you will practice it and gradually you will become a pro. So I first take a portion of the hair and then try and exercise my skills a bit by just rolling it over. This is just a guide for you to understand how corn rolling is. So you roll it from the middle to the right, from the middle to the left, middle to the right, middle to the left. That's how it is. So now I'll come to teach you how to use that techniques in corn rolling. You will take that 3 portions and then you rotate the one in the middle to the right side and vice versa. Please watch as you learn. But this one, you get it very close to the scalp. And as we are corn rolling, we will be adding the hair at the back. Corn rolling is not that difficult or a difficult task. You just need to comprehend what it is and then how you will turn or rotate your fingers in order to get a good sample. As I add the weave, we are just corn rolling. So you add the weave from the back and then transfer the weave you're braiding from the middle side to the back side or the left side and then to the front or right side. These are the 3 parts. You rotate. You take the left one, which is now the middle one. You rotate, it goes to the left, then you rotate back to the right. That's the basic concept of corn rolling. I'll do many examples in this video. Taking another section to braid. I'm using this same portion to braid the other one. This one I'm just taking part of the hair as I want to add up to it. Some people ask, okay, how and what portion of the hair should I add to get a neat cornrow? Divide it into 3 again and then watch closely how I turn the waves around. I take that first portion I separated. Constant practice. As you continue to practice, you will then be able to braid it like a pro. so that it will help you as a guide. You see, I'm taking what I part already. Then you rotate your fingers by turning them around, picking the left side into the middle and then the right side into the middle, and taking back the portions we part again. So I'm doing a third example from that same pattern I've made. Watch carefully and you will know the basic techniques of corn rolling. While braiding the cornrow, you need to detangle the hair so that your cornrow will look neat. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe.